Are you looking for the best generators? In this video, we will look at some of the 10 best generators on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Westinghouse 12,500 watt dual fuel home backup portable generator. Get up to 12 hours of runtime with the Westinghouse 12,500 peak watt dual fuel home backup portable generator, which comes with a remote start key fob, electric and recoil start, and a 6.6 gallon fuel tank with fuel gauge. The generator features two GFCI 120 volts 5 to 20R standard household receptacles, one transfer switch ready 120 volts L1430R, and one RV ready 120 240ths of a volt 14 to 50R. It is powered by a heavy-duty 457cc Westinghouse 4-stroke OHV engine, which has automatic low oil shutdown and digital hour meter. The generator is EPA and CARB compliant, and comes with a 3-year limited service, labor, and parts coverage with nationwide customer service network. The Westinghouse 12,500 peak watt dual fuel home backup portable generator is perfect for those who live in areas with frequent power outages. It is easy to set up and start, and comes with a remote control for added convenience. Customers have praised the generator's dual fuel feature, which allows them to use either gasoline or propane to power the generator, and its ability to power multiple household appliances and electronics during power outages. The generator is also suitable for use in RVs and on construction sites, making it a versatile investment for anyone in need of reliable backup power. Number 2. Westinghouse 4650 peak watt portable generator. The Westinghouse 4650W portable generator has a 4-gallon fuel tank with fuel gauge that can run up to 14 hours per tank. It features a recoil start, 3 outlets, 120 volts duplex, RV-ready 30A, and L530R30A, with rubber covers for safety, and comes with oil, a funnel, a toolkit, and a user's manual for easy setup. The generator is powered by a 212cc Westinghouse 4-stroke OHV engine with automatic low oil shutdown and is EPA and CARB compliant. Number 3. DuroMax XP5500EH electric start camping and RV ready. The DuroMax XP5500EH dual-fuel portable generator is a reliable and powerful unit that provides plenty of power to handle multiple jobs, from powering high-voltage appliances to heavy-duty power tools. With 5,500 starting watts and 4,500 running watts, this generator can handle heavy loads, from lights and a refrigerator to a home air conditioner and high-amperage power tools. Its dual-fuel technology allows for the use of either gasoline or propane, giving you the freedom and flexibility of fuel choice. Overall, the DuroMax XP5500EH is an ideal choice for camping, RVing, and emergency power outages. The DuroMax XP5500EH dual-fuel portable generator has received positive reviews from customers who have used it. Many customers have praised its dual-fuel technology, which allows them to use either gasoline or propane. They also appreciate its powerful engine, fully featured power panel, and MX2 technology, which provides maximum power from each of the 120-volt receptacles. The generator is recommended for residential use and is ideal for usage with RVs. Customers have used it to run refrigerators, freezers, washers, dryers, water pumps, TVs, and lights during power outages. The generator is also easy to use and has a reasonable price. Number 4. WEN DF475T Dual Fuel 120 volts, 240V portable generator. The WEN DF475T Dual Fuel portable generator is a versatile and reliable power source for both emergency backup and off-grid locations. With the simple turn of a selection dial, users can switch between gasoline and propane to power the 224cc 4-stroke OHV engine. The generator provides up to 11 hours of half-load runtime and includes two 120 volts GFCI outlets, a 120 volts 240V NEMA 30A twist lock, a 12 volts DC cigarette lighter style plug, a wheel and handle kit, a 47-inch LPG connection hose, and a 2-year warranty. The WEN DF475T dual-fuel portable generator has received positive reviews for its dual-fuel capabilities, electric start, and easy maneuverability. It is recommended for those who need a reliable power source for remote off-grid locations and for recharging portable power stations during power outages. Customers have praised the generator's quiet operation, reasonable level of sound, and thoughtfully designed features. Number 5. 3,500-watt RV-ready portable generator. Enjoy the convenience of push-button power with the Champion Power Equipment 100,554 portable generator. With the included wireless remote key fob, users can easily start and stop the generator from up to 80 feet away. The reliable 208cc Champion engine features a 3-way ignition switch and built-in cold start technology for easy starts in cold weather. With 4,375 starting watts and 3,500 running watts, this generator can run for up to 12 hours on a full tank of gasoline while keeping noise levels as low as 68 dBA from 23 feet away. The VoltGuard built-in surge protector prevents overloads, ensuring safety for all appliances and equipment. The Champion Power Equipment 100,554 portable generator receives high praise from customers for its wireless remote start feature, ease of use, and reliability. It is ideal for camping, outdoor events, and as a backup power source for households. Customers appreciate the generator's ability to run multiple appliances and equipment simultaneously without compromising noise levels. The generator's compact design and included wheel kit make it easy to move around as needed. Number 6. Westinghouse 4500 Peak Fuel Portable Inverter Generator. The Westinghouse 4500W dual-fuel portable inverter generator is a reliable and versatile power source for home use or travel trailers. With 4,500 peak watts and 3,700 rated watts, it features remote start, fuel-efficient technology, and an LED data center. It's extremely quiet, with a noise output as low as 52 dBA, and comes with automatic low oil and carbon monoxide shutdown. It's also EPA and CARB compliant and backed by a 3-year limited service, labor, and parts coverage and nationwide customer service network. Customers rave about the Westinghouse 4500W dual-fuel portable inverter generator's ample power, quiet operation, and remote starter. It's an excellent choice for travel trailers, and it's perfect for home use during power outages. The generator has a great fuel efficiency and is easy to set up and use. It's backed by great customer service and warranty, which makes it a reliable investment for everyone. Number 7. Quiet 3,800-watt RV-ready portable inverter generator. The WEN 56380i portable inverter generator is a compact and lightweight generator with dimensions of 23.2 L by 18 inches W by 20.1 H and a weight of 99.2 lb. The generator is extremely quiet in operation and produces clean power to prevent damage to sensitive electronics such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops. With a 3,800 surge watts and 3,400 rated watts, it has a half-load runtime of up to 8.5 hours. The fuel shutoff feature maximizes the generator's lifespan by using up the remaining fuel in the carburetor before shutting down. It also comes with a digital load and fuel display, a 2-year warranty, and multiple receptacles including 2 3-prong 120 volts receptacles, 1 AC 120 volts NEMA TT30 RRV receptacle, 1 12 volts DC receptacle, and 2 5 volts USB ports. Number 8. Watt gas-powered portable generator. The Generac 7127 IQ 3500 portable generator is the ideal choice for both work and play. This generator features advanced inverter technology and enclosure design which makes it 40% quieter than Honda, making it perfect for job sites or recreational activities. With 16% more power than Honda and Power Rush advanced technology, this generator is capable of handling all your power needs. It also features a digital smart LCD, USB ports to charge mobile devices, and an electric start with power dial start, run, stop. Number 9. DuroMax XP12000HX Dual Fuel Portable Generator. Experience the freedom and flexibility of fuel choice with the DuroMax XP12000HX Dual Fuel Portable Generator. The all-new control center, equipped with a digital multimeter and push-button start, allows you to change your fuel type in seconds. With CO Alert technology, this generator automatically shuts down if an unsafe level of carbon monoxide is detected. The powerful 460cc OHV DuroMax engine and all copper windings make it transfer switch ready, ensuring years of reliable use. The DuroMax XP12000HX Dual Fuel Portable Generator is perfect for those who want a powerful and reliable generator for their home or outdoor activities. Customers love its ability to power multiple appliances, including refrigerators, TVs, and lights, making it ideal for power outages, camping trips, and tailgating. The generator is easy to assemble and start, and the company provides excellent customer service. Number 10. 2350-watt Portable Inverter Generator. The WEN 56235i Portable Inverter Generator is an ultra-light and compact generator that weighs only 39 pounds, making it easy to transport and store. Its extremely quiet operation produces 2,350 surge watts and 1,900 rated watts of clean power, perfect for charging sensitive electronics such as phones, tablets, televisions, and computers. The fuel shutoff feature maximizes the generator's lifespan by using up the remaining fuel in the carburetor before shutting down. It also includes a variety of receptacles and a 2-year warranty.